The msi EdgeXpert AI Mini packs lightning-fast processing into an ultra-compact package, perfect for developers, researchers, and anyone looking to unlock the full potential of their workspace. Imagine having a supercomputer at your fingertips, capable of handling complex AI tasks with ease. That's exactly what you get with the msi EdgeXpert AI Mini, powered by the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell architecture that delivers up to 1,000 TOPS of AI performance for generative AI, LLMs, and advanced edge computing workloads. But what does that mean in real-world terms? In simple terms, it means you can run large AI models locally on your device without relying on cloud infrastructure. This not only reduces reliance on the internet but also improves speed, privacy, and cost efficiency. The EdgeXpert AI Mini is built on a 20-core ARM CPU architecture with high-performance and efficiency cores, designed to provide smooth multitasking, faster data processing, and optimized power usage for demanding AI applications. With this level of processing power, you can work on complex projects without worrying about slow performance or overheating. One of the standout features of the EdgeXpert AI Mini is its massive 128GB unified memory, which uses LPDDR5X high-bandwidth memory to efficiently handle large datasets and AI models without bottlenecks. This means you can support large-scale AI models up to 200 billion parameters, making it an ideal solution for developers, researchers, and enterprise professionals. The device also boasts ultra-fast Gen 5 storage, with PCIe NVMe SSDs that deliver load times of just a few seconds. This is made possible by the self-encrypting capabilities of the drive, which provides enhanced data security. In addition to its impressive specs, the EdgeXpert AI Mini comes pre-installed with NVIDIA DGX OS, Ubuntu Linux-based, tuned for machine learning, AI model training, and edge deployment. This means you can get started with your AI projects right away, without needing to install any additional software. Whether you're a researcher looking to accelerate your work, a developer seeking to improve your productivity, or an enterprise professional aiming to enhance your team's performance, the msi EdgeXpert AI Mini is an indispensable tool that will revolutionize the way you work. With its unparalleled processing power, blazing fast storage, and advanced security features, this device is set to change the game for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of their workspace. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your msi EdgeXpert AI Mini today and discover a new world of possibilities.